this is what you're commanded to do. When you hear the music, bow and worship this huge statue that our king has set up. If you don't, you will be burned to death in a fiery furnace.
Sir, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego aren't bowing. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, get up here right now. Is it true that you won't bow? Now I'll give you one more chance. Bow! Sir, we won't bow even if you throw us in a furnace, for our God can save us from it. And even if he doesn't, we won't bow. Turn the furnace 7 times hotter than normal and burn them! Didn't I throw 3 men into the fire? Look, there's a 4th in the fire. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, come out, servants of God. Praise be to God.